going on, YouTube? It's Astronaut H, and I'm here with another sneaker review and unboxing. You know what we here to do, so we're gonna get right into that. But before we do that, won't you just hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and also ding that notification bell. And without further ado, we got another one. And if you watch or seen the name and title of the video, then you know what we're reviewing. We are reviewing the Kyrie 7, but not just any Kyrie 7. We have the pack that was released via the SNKRSapp. Yes, we have an exclusive drop. For me, the way I got this shoe, I'm gonna be honest, the way I got it was via the SNKRSapp. The notification came through on the phone, and by luck, my hand was my phone was in my hand, and I got lucky. I got lucky enough, and I got my size. So without further ado, here's the box for you guys. You know, Nike branding, barcode there. Yeah, shout outs to UPS on the drop. Throw that there. We don't need that right now. So, box first, you have the Kyrie logo, which I always think is a good logo. The Nike swoosh on one side, Kyrie 7, and sizing to let you know. So, I don't know exactly which sneaker I got out of the pack, but it says University red, black. So let's pop them open. Look at the inside of this box though. Ugh. Disgusting. Hit the Pusha T. Ugh. This is nasty. But Nike, for some reason, like out of all the branded NBA players that got their own signature shoe, it's like for some reason Kyrie packaging in the shoe is always like top level. It's like, this is crazy. They got pictures of Kyrie on the inside. It's like, can you see that? It's a drawing of Kyrie. It's just different drawings. You know, he like the, you know, certain things like that. More you know, drawings and things on the inside. Standard paper, nothing, no branding. Here's the shoe. Here's the shoe. Wow, we have a lot going on here. We have a lot going on here. Hieroglyphics, I guess, on the back. Yeah. The back of this one reads, I don't know if you can see it, if I can zoom it in on the camera, but the back reads, his legacy is going to live on forever. Can you guys see that? That's like a really cool detail. This has air. Not only does it have zoom, but it has air zoom turbo, so that's different. Kind of like a, not a fly knit, but the upper kind of have like, it's a design behind with the net right there. Red upper with multicolor. This was on Kyrie, the last Kyrie right there, if you can see it. Bottom sole, we have black, we have yellow, we have purple, we have blue, we have white, and the Kyrie logo there. Kyrie logo, tongue, standard red factory lacing system. Here you have the swoosh with the black, the yellow going into the black, the white going into the yellow, and the tip is blue. Like some cage, it's like a cage like, it looks like a cage sort of, kind of, if you can see that. It looks like a cage. The red details is like, feels good though. It's like a kind of suede, not really suede on the back. It's not really suede. It says Kyrie 7 on the inside. See the details. You know, for me, as far as being a fan of Kyrie, his shoes, I like the Kyrie 1 a lot. I like the 4 a whole lot. These particular, like I said, you didn't know which one you got until the actual shoe arrived. It was 2 other ones. It was like a light, like a lighter one, and like I think a greener, like a green. I know this is a like a pack. It was 3 of them. The Legends. It was a pack. But this particular shoe is like, we also have 45, and can you see that? 45 and 1. Can you guys see that? 1, 2. At first glance, if you like eye-catching shoes, this is it. Like, this is going to catch everyone's eye when they look at your feet. It's like, and honestly, I could say these might look good with jeans. These can probably be pulled off casually. Now, on court, I know the Kyrie feels really good on court. I'm not sure about the 7, but I know for sure that Kyrie, like Nike, they do really good with Kyrie Irving shoes. I really don't have like a lot of complaints about this shoe, like off the top of my head. It's for me, it's like, if you like loud, this is the way to go. For me, scale of 1 to 5, because I'm gonna rate these. I'm gonna give these a 3, only because I'm not I really don't do like a lot of ball kicks, but as far as like on court, these look good. Casually, I have to give them casually I have to put them on and actually give them a go. But for sure, I give these a solid 3. I think Nike did really well. I have no complaints. I think they did good. Give another overview of the shoe, front to back, if you guys can see. Kyrie 7. Again, if you want to score these, I'm sure, if you didn't score on the app, I'm sure you can try, another site like a GOAT or StockX. I'm sure they have them. Kyrie's really don't go too much beyond, resale unless it's a PE. But I'm sure you could probably score these for a little over retail. And we're gonna give you guys. I'm gonna give you guys more and more reviews. I got some things coming. I can't wait for you guys to see. And Footprints on the Moon. I'll put the brand, description down in the bio again. And yeah, again, it's Astronaut H signing off.